I think it'd be really interesting just to know where Kettle has come from, how it came about, and a bit about the brand.
The first place to start with Kettle actually isn't with the Kettle brand, it's actually with the Greg Rowe brand, which is the company behind it.
Yeah.
My name, but more importantly, it's Greg Senior, my dad's name. The heritage of the company actually stems back to him. He's been in the tap industry ever since he was an apprentice. He was an apprentice engineer, moving into the management and into a senior role. That company was sold to a German company and they relocated the whole thing back to Germany and actually stripped out a lot of tap making expertise that we used to be famous for in this country. He and one of the designers in the company actually set up a small business together, initially engineering parts. So they took some of the machinery out of the company, set it up in his associate's back garden,
right.
and just started making components for that company and then for other people. And then over the years, the pair of them started to find their way back to making taps and then ultimately designing and making their own taps,
okay.
which brought them back into British manufacturing and back into the tap industry. They could see that what everybody else was doing was just not, it had been cheapened, and they were looking for something that was much higher quality at the luxury end of the market. The pair of them then created what was the first luxury taps, first in the kitchen and then in the bathroom.